Hey guys, today we are cleaning this dirty oven. I prefer using Easy Off, the yellow bottle. Take out the racks and do them in a ceramic tub. Make sure the tub is ceramic or porcelain. Spray down the sides. Clean up all that loose debris on the bottom. Pro tip, use a vacuum. Okay, now what we're going to do is scrape the door and the bottom with a plastic razor blade. Hit it with the vacuum again. Finish spraying down the oven completely. Get it completely saturated. And spray extra on the bad areas, like make sure it's covered. Don't forget to spray the door and any other spots, but be careful with it on the skin and most surfaces. It will stain really bad and it will burn your skin really bad as well. Now we close it up and just let it sit for a couple hours. I recommend prepping the racks while waiting. This is how it should look when it is ready to get cleaned. See how it's all bubbly and like you can see the grease coming up? That's exactly what you want. I like to spray a little bit more. It does make it easier for the pumice stone to glide. Just scrape that shit, rub that shit over everything. Repeatedly. And by that I mean like all over the detailed spots and over what you have done already. Wipe off. Oops, yes, I realized I almost forgot the sides. Scrubbing them down now. After you have it all scraped off and wiped off, spray it with some glass cleaner and then wipe off the glass cleaner. That's going to give it that beautiful shine and streak free just like you want it. Now let's get to the inside. So we're going to grab that pumice stone again and just scrapey all over. You can already see the change and we have just started. Try your best to work from the top to the bottom. Though you will most likely go over it again and again and spot detailing after that. I can't stress enough to try to avoid getting this on your skin. It burns like hell, but it is worth the clean. It'll stain your counters, drawers, floors, everything. Be very careful with this cleaner. Okay, now let's wipe off all of this clean. Oh, spot, pumice it. Hold on. Okay, and then we wipe off all the cleaner everywhere. Wipe off from all the surfaces because you've scrubbed all the surfaces. When you get to this point, or probably not even to this point, you need to remind yourself how fantastic this is going to look. There's always going to be spots. Don't worry. You can just grab your pumice stone and scrub it a bit more and it'll come off. You don't have to worry about using more of the cleaner. After you wipe off the cleaner and any missed spots, you're going to spray it all over with that glass cleaner. And now you just wipe it down as it shines up. Why glass cleaner? Because it cleans off any of the Easy Off or pumice stone that's left behind. It's streak free and just look at that shine that's left behind. It should speak for itself. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See y'all later. Bye!